Have you ever noticed that people in Australia see the moon upside down compared to people in Canada? Sounds fake, right? But it's actually true. Since Earth is a giant sphere, people standing in opposite hemispheres are looking at the moon from completely different angles. That's why the exact same moon appears upside down in the southern hemisphere. And here's the coolest part. Right at the equator, the moon doesn't look upright or upside down. It actually appears sideways. I honestly never thought about this before.
Now let's move on to something even cooler. Imagine drawing an oval using 2 pins and a string. It turns out that this simple shape hides an incredible secret. Shine a laser from one special point inside the oval, and no matter which direction you point it, the light always bounces and lands on the other special point. Sounds impossible, but it actually works. Even crazier, people have built entire rooms shaped like this. If someone whispers from one side of the room, another person standing at the opposite focus point can hear it clearly, even from a huge distance. No microphones, no speakers, just pure geometry doing its magic. That is seriously amazing.
All right, here's a question for you. When a car suddenly brakes, why does a cake slide forward, but a helium balloon floats backward? At first, it looks like the balloon is breaking the laws of physics, but the trick is that air has weight too. When the car stops, all the air inside keeps moving forward for a split second, pushing the much lighter helium balloon backward. It's one of those experiments that completely changes the way you think about something as ordinary as air.
Now let's settle one of the biggest internet debates. If sailboats move because wind pushes their sails, then why not just attach a fan to the boat and blow directly into your own sail? Sounds like a genius shortcut. Until you actually test it. The fan pushes air toward the sail, but at the same time, it pushes itself backward with exactly the same force. Those two forces cancel each other out, so the boat doesn't move at all. Sometimes the simplest ideas turn out to be the most deceptive.
All right, imagine wrapping a rope tightly around the entire Earth. Now suppose you wanted to lift that rope just 1 foot above the ground all the way around. How much extra rope would you need? Most people would probably guess hundreds or even thousands of feet, but the real answer is just 6.28 feet. Yes, that's it. Whether it's the Earth, a basketball, or even a tiny marble, the answer stays exactly the same. It sounds impossible until you see the simple geometry behind it. Honestly, this is one of those facts that feels fake, but it's completely true.
The experiments are incredibly diverse. Every topic teaches you something genuinely surprising, and almost every reveal makes you rethink what you thought you already knew. That's exactly the kind of content Kiro Craze is all about. And the Kiro Craze score for this video is 9.5 out of 10. Honestly, the rope experiment shocked me the most. But what about you? Which experiment blew your mind? Let me know down in the comments.